Hi, my name is Dina and I'm from Hillingdon TV.
Today we're at Harefield, which is located in the west-north part of Great London. When I was traveling around the world, I have seen many street gyms like this in Spain, Poland, and Germany. This is a perfect solution for any adults or children who wants to train outside. Especially after lockdown, you can chat with your friends or have some fresh air and work out at the same time. Every machine has an explanation how to use it. The gym is well equipped and everyone can find something for themselves to enjoy the time outside. This gym is next to the playground and in the center of Harefield. Kids Playground is a well-known place for Harefield children. The green has been recreational space for Harefield residents since the 19th century. Next to the pond there is a war memorial and a small pond with ducks and gooses in it. I hope that Hillingdon Council will help to clean the information boards.
Thank you for watching. It was Dina from Hillingdon TV. Bye.